Hey everyone. Hey everyone, just wanted to pop in and say I got a lot of stuff going on this week, especially this weekend actually. I'm going to be at the Browser's anniversary party, doing a little bit of magic there at the Browser's Den of Magic. So if you're in Toronto nearby, come check that out. And also, I realized that I missed an additional application of last week's flourish/control. So I'm going to show you guys that now, and then we'll be back next week with something a little bit more substantial, if you will. All right, peace out. So last week's tutorial, I actually forgot one of the methods that I use for this control. I'll show it to you now. Okay, you take the card, lose it down in the deck, and it comes back to the top. Now that'll probably look similar to the last one that I showed you, where I used the spread pass, and it is actually using the spread pass, but it starts with a double lift, and I'll show you here. So you do a double lift, and what you're actually going to do is hold it kind of between your index finger and your thumb here. And once you get it up and over the corner of the deck here, you can start the spread. Once you start the spread, you can let go with that finger, and that double will be held pinched with that thumb there. Now, if you try doing it with it just flat on the deck without using this index finger, you're going to actually just split the double like that. So that's why you need to use your index finger initially to kind of kick it over and get it just up off the deck. If it's flat on the deck, the friction will pull it out. But if it's up, once it's up like this, you can do the flourish just like normal, and that double will stay together held by your thumb. From there, you're going to do a turnover using the deck, or using the rest of the fan here, and put your thumb on top of the top card, which is the dummy card because it was a double, and so it is now second from the bottom. And you're just going to push that card over, and now you're right in position as the last method from last week to do the spread pass. So you come here with that card up jogged, it provides you the justification and the cover to do your spread pass, bringing it to the top. Okay, so one more time, double lift, turn it over, up jogged, kick it over slightly with your thumb and your index finger. Once it's off the deck, you can do the spread, use the fan to turn it over, put your thumb on it, up jog the dummy card, come in here, do your spread pass as you square up, and bring it to the top. All right. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed that. That was, again, that was just another application of that glider flourish move using a double lift into a spread pass as well. All right, I hope you like that, and I will see you next week with a little bit more, and hopefully a little bit of a recap of this weekend at the Browser's Den. All right, peace. See you next time.